wide-body thing, bro. Y'all better watch the fuck out. Again with another video, another banger, man. It's your boy, VA Mopar, man. I'm about to say him life reviews again. Hey, yo, I did it, yo. I did it. I did it. Alright, now, what I did was, I finally did what I said I was going to do the whole time. Somebody comment and below right now and guess what I did. I'm going to give you a second. Boy, I'm telling you, man, make a big difference, yo. And if you can't tell the difference, I'm going to put a picture up. Alright, let me flip the camera around. One, hold on. Bro, I dropped my car, baby. If y'all can't tell, look how much wheel gap I got now. No, now you can tell, huh? I'm gonna try to put a picture up right here. Try to. I'm gonna see how that works. Yes, Lord, boy. Just came from the car wash too, bro. Y'all can tell the bit difference in the picture. What? I'm gonna try to get that picture, bro. I'm gonna put a picture up and y'all tell me what y'all think, man. You know, so much more better when it drop. Hey, Dodge. This is what the car should come like, alright? This is what the RT should be like, bro. So if y'all want to know what suspensions I did, hit me up below, comment below, and I'll tell you what I did. Hey, man, the guy who did my own stuff, he really liked my drill slider rollers, bro. Shout outs to them, man. I did it last night. If you ain't from around here, you ain't from Virginia, bro, it get cold. That's crazy. It's like 64 degrees right now. This has been perfect weather to do it. Perfect. Man, why we didn't wait today? But I was in a rush anyway. I wanted to do that thing, man. You never know what might come up. It might rain. It could have rained, anything. But shout out to them, man. They did a real good job. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better person to do it without a shop wise. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how much the shop would charge me, but hey, I think I got a good price on it, man. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta go in. You see this building behind me? I gotta go in here. So I'm about to go in here for a minute. I'll catch back up with y'all when I get out. Hey man, y'all tell me what you think, man. This ain't gonna be no long video. For later on, because you know me and my guys meet up every Friday. So if you want to contend, hit me up and comment below or DM me on my IG. My IG is the same as my YouTube, VA Mopar. And we'll let you know where we'll be at, alright? And then they go for In the Cars Ain't Straight Mopar. On Friday, it's great. In the cars, and you got a dope car, you think it's dope, come on out, we'll check it out for you. Alright, you go out. One. Is he going with it again? Hey y'all just missed that shit, yo. Nah, he got to park. He got to park now. Oh man. Met this little meat. Daytona thing, baby. I gotta get 6 pistons, bro. What's up, man? Hey, I didn't even know that you was over there, bro. Huh? I didn't even see you over there.
I just came in nice and quiet.
I didn't see you over there, man. That's what's up, man. Another day. How you doing, man?
I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling.
Good. Man, I still see your smoke. Last time I had a whole lot of smoke, yo.
I know. You see the marks?
Yep. That was from you last time, too.
I was like, yep.
Look, there go your old shit right there.
Yeah, man. I was just looking. I just seen something look at me. And I was like, hold up.
Oh, this bitch ain't stopped. I see it already.
Yeah, at first I thought it was a turbo. Ain't got that far.
The hell?
All it was, swapped the block out for a 6.4. My 5.7 intake manifold's ported, so kept that. Not gonna get rid of that.
So it is a 6.4.
Ported?
Yeah, 6.4 block now. Started as just fucking basic ass RT. Slowly she's getting there, but.
Me?
92.
Hey, look.
Stop that blackout.
Fuck this shit.
What you do to it?
Swapped the block out for a 6.4. Kept the 5.7 intake manifold because mine was ported. And I'm not going to get rid of that for a 6.4 one that isn't ported.
Yeah.
And other than that, exhaust, CAI, strut tower, rear strut tower. I just been waiting to build her, waiting to put a Whipple on her, but found one guy that sells like Hellcat engines complete, so might just drop that and put one of those in.
How much?
It depends how many miles and what year.
Oh, yeah, true.
So
You can have change the damn suspension out and everything, bro.
suspension.
When you put
I'm
that shit in
changing the
there.
brakes,
I feel
everything.
like
Yo,
I like $5,000 in that car.
Hey, bro, it ain't that many people out here right now, bro. Hey, man, I'm gonna turn the camera back on when more people get out here, bro. Yes, sir. Look, bro, we is deep. Oh, look at that. Alright, we mad deep, bro. Alright, we decided to go to this other trip. Hey, this dude about to slide, bro. We gotta see this. Check out my thing, man. Y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel, bro. Hey, that's not my name no more, so I need to get my sticker. I'm gonna order my sticker tomorrow. I put all this shit on YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah.
Shit.
In fact, where your phone at? So you can subscribe to the so you can see it.
He ain't better than
Unless you got, if you got a girl saying you don't want her to see you, then just let me know. I'll cut it out.
You straight.
But just talking to VA Mopar. That wild body thing, bro. Y'all better watch the fuck out. That boy killing it, boy. That boy killing it. Yo, that nigga killing that shit, yo. Look at all these people looking at this shit. Hey, can you see you no more, bro? Alright. You still need some tires for later on. You gotta get to the crib, yo. Damn. That's crazy. That's wild, man. What's up, man? How you doing? Good. All right. Damn. Well, hey, guy has some good ass brakes, bro. Yeah, he was gonna smack the hell out that damn little car over there if he had no good brakes.
Didn't have them Brembos?
No Brembos stopping you in the dime, boy. Woo!
He about to touch.
Hold on, I think the Ultimate about to spin that shit, yo.
Uh-oh. Oh, hell no.
Oh, damn, he ain't gonna spin that shit. Damn. Hey, yo. Man, this gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Holler at your boy, bro. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Alright? I'm about to get up out of here. I don't know about the rest of these cats, but your boy about to go. So, to the meantime, between time, as him and Life say, holler at your boy. Yo, I'm out.
I'm finna be slumped tonight.
My man got a flat tire, bro. Damn, we had this other meet, man. Hey, spin that shit, yo. Damn. He ain't gonna spin that shit. And he had to get a tow truck, bro. Man, got a flat tire, bro. Damn. It's sad to see a damn car like this going on damn flatbed, bro. Hey, he been doing this shit for too long, yo. He been reporting somebody's shit, yo. He did that shit too damn good. Yeah. Somebody ain't pay your car note? I got you. Hey, my car note ain't due yet. Not my homeboy, my homeboy badge. I don't know you get that. My homeboy badge, bro. This shit on the ground. That's the only thing I get bags from. Yo, you can't tell my shit. I sit my shit all the way.
Yeah, that dude's flat, bro.
See, I don't want all that. I want that when I want to do it, not when I can't help it. Yeah, you know?
Exactly.
No, I'm definitely not doing that.
Goddamn.
Hey, he ain't pay his car note. They found him. He ain't make that car payment, baby. That's what happened. You want to ball out?
You want to
Yeah.
ball out, baby.
You want to ball out?
Credit union came and got it.
You don't make that car payment, boy.
Credit union came and got it.
Hey, that's gonna be a name. That's gonna be the name of this video. Hey, this is what happens when you want to go out and get these expensive cars. Yeah, you don't talk to the bank for 3 months. All right, y'all. This is gonna be the end of this video.